What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You already know what time it is, and yeah, let's go outside. Like, I can care less about. This is my new cat. Her name is Queen. I got her not too long ago. She's actually like my cat. Amanda's got her cat, and this is like my cat now. Say what's up, Queen. She don't like heights too much, but you're not happy with it? There you go. Say what's up to the vlog, Queen. All right, so let's get back on to the discussion of today's video. We have a few things. First, I have something in the mail, so we need to go walk to the mailbox really quick. Oh man, I don't know what it is, but the Beamer's been looking good lately. Sheesh. Now, of course, there's a ton of stuff that needs to be done to this car, but there is something that I want you guys to see. But we'll get back to that in a second. Let's go to the mailbox. I'm not gonna lie. This video's been doing numbers, and I appreciate that. I appreciate every single one of you guys who came in. I appreciate all the new guys who came in. You guys mean a lot to me, and wouldn't be here without you. I'm just grateful for every single person that comes by and actually wants to watch the videos and stuff like that. The goal someday is to be able to make this a reality so I can do this regularly and just go crazy with content. There it is, key dropped. Yes sir, this right here is what we need. This is another part for the interior, and got more stone coming on the way. All right, what do we have here? Gonna be using the kitchen knife. Now, of course, this is the most expensive, craziest part of the interior that we needed. I'm so happy that we got it. Probably the most money I had to spend ever. Damn, all this wrapping, I appreciate it, but good Lord. See, that's how you know it's expensive. Make sure we don't damage the product. Yeah, looking beautiful. Come on, bro. Now to show you guys the most expensive thing I had to buy. I'm joking, it's not that expensive. Everything's gonna be back to normal. I have to put this back in, but I'm missing one piece. I don't know where it is. Actually, I don't know. I think it might be fine. Let's go find out. I messed up from the last time I drove this thing because literally my driver's side door doesn't work, and this is the only way to get in. And I literally wasn't even thinking. I just pulled in part, got out, locked the door, and now this is the issue. And I can't emphasize this. This is actually in really good condition. This is actually way better than my previous one that I had. I don't see no specks, no cuts, chips, anything. Sorry, I wish it would just stay focused. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. All right, so everything is here, looking good. I left the vent outside. Anyway, the focus is this right now. I have to take the screen back out and all of the trim to be able to pop this in, and I have to be able to slide this back into the little divot. All right, so this actually should be a lot more simple, just because this isn't fully seeped in. I haven't screwed it in all the way, just because I wanted to wait to get this piece done. I'm gonna pull this down really quick. The green piece needs to snap here in the back. Have to figure out how to get this in properly. Get it in there, and then boom. Simple as that. And now it's in. It's back to normal. So if I pull it one way, it's gonna pull it. Pull it one way, it's gonna pull it back. See how it's pulling it? And it's pulling it back. Cool, so that's what we want. And now I just gotta, there we go. Make sure that still works. These work really well. The back pieces work really well as well. It's probably what I should have been testing out beforehand. Pop the screen back in. My trim here, I put that in there, and then kind of holds it in place for me. Then I'm all good. Man, can we talk about how good it looks now? Wow, we got the whole vent in. That whole piece looks amazing now. Come on. It's crazy what just one little thing could do for you. Man, with the vent, it looks so good. What is this? I guess for me, it's just having things fully complete just really brings it all together. It looks so good. Once that's all taken care of right there, and I have my seats, because that ugly stand is the whole reason why we're getting rid of all of this. Once just those little bits are out and it's fully done, it's gonna look so good. All right, so one more dilemma. We have those pieces back there that are tan. They need to be black. I tried to pull them out. They're seated in there. So the only way would be to cut them out. I don't want to do that. My thought process would be to cover up the windows and just spray them as is. I'll open up these because they can open up through the back and everything, and that way it'll make it easier to just kind of spray them and have it, you know, air out and everything. So yeah, I had to do some more spraying. Thought we were almost done with all that, but still have just a little bit more spraying to do, unfortunately. Trying to figure out what's the best way to do this because I really don't want to get paint on my windows. And when I was doing the dash and everything else, I did a horrible job with keeping the spots I didn't want to keep painted. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, like really make sure I figure this out. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I honestly don't even care if it gets like here on the actual outside black parts. It is what it is, it's black. I just don't want to get on the actual glass itself because it's nice clean glass. I mean, besides the glass being dirty. I would rather it get on here and out here than on the actual glass. So both of those sides are done, that side and now this side as well. I'm gonna just let the car air out for a little bit, honestly. I might take it for a drive just to let it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's like the next day. So there's one more thing that I do want to start working on today. I don't know if I'll finish, but I'll start working on this video. Hopefully I can finish, maybe we'll see. Is my back. So I want to put the side panel in here. Now that this is all painted, I'm gonna just take the tape off. We will put the side panels in, that way that whole section will be basically done. And then I just need to get my seats painted, and yeah, there's a lot of videos and a lot of different ways on how to do this, but I think I know exactly just the way I'm gonna do it. I'm sorry about that. So I have the idea, I just need to execute, and that requires some more stuff, so let's get it.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Champ, you already know. Make sure that you guys go ahead and drop that like, so just, you know, click right there, that's all you gotta do. And then scroll on over here, hit the subscribe, and make sure I hit the notification bell. Click on all so you get all the notifications. Let's get back to the video. I love y'all. We out.
Yeah, I do not understand how good it feels to have this vent in the front. And every day I'm just so happy to see where I'm at. I'm so happy. The whole dash, like, carbon fiber, it looks so good with the red. My everything works, like it's just a great day. Right now we gotta find the nearest AutoZone, so that's what we're getting ready to get into now. I said in my last video that was probably gonna be the last parts of the interior video for now, but this actually will be the last one for now. I have more plans in mind that I want to do and get stuff done and taken care of, so really I would like to honestly get the rear seats in today. That way most of the car will be done, if that makes any sense. And then in the near future, you'll get like another video here and there. Like, of course, we still gotta get the headliner and stuff put in. And I still have like these little side panels that need to be done. And it's just a few more other things that need to be taken care of. A few more things to lift off that I need to do. For one thing, I really need to figure out my coolant issue because I do have a really bad coolant issue. It's not too bad, but I can literally throw coolant in this thing right now and it will be gone. But I do have some circulating, so the car, you know, doesn't overheat or anything like that. But as you can see, it pops up, my coolant light does pop up. The car does drive, everything's fine for now, but I would like to I'd rather get it taken care of now before I run into an issue where I'm just driving and then I'm stranded somewhere, you know? I definitely have a lot of content for you guys coming, and I can't wait for you to see it all. I can't wait to keep growing and hopefully have everyone here along the ride. But that's not talking, let's get to AutoZone. All right, so fingers crossed. They say this is, you know, you can use this on seats. So I'm gonna try it on the small seat first just to see what the outcome is. I'm gonna do a few coats of it first, let it dry fully, and then we'll go from there. And hopefully it works out well. See you at the house. All right, so we're back home, and yeah, let's get to it. I cannot wait to get rid of this chair, man. It's been through war and it's just time to get something that's gonna match the whole interior, man. I'm just ready to be done with this thing. Now, one tip that I learned about spray painting stuff, whether it be your seats or just anything in general, that it's a good idea to do each of your coats simultaneously, but not do them how I did them before. So as before, when I was doing them, I was just literally spraying it, covering it as much as I can. But after doing some more research and watching some of the videos, a lot of people start off like this. They'll spray a little bit like this, let this dry up. That way the paint can really get into it. And then afterwards, once it's really nice and dry, you go in for your second coat. And as you do each coat, you just get darker and darker. All right, we are all done now. It is officially fully coated. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I don't see any tan anywhere. It literally looks like it was like OEM. That's how good this looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this sit for a day, and I'm gonna put this in tomorrow. For you guys, it will be the same video, but we just need to let it sit, let it prime, let it, you know, do its thing, do its magic, and we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Everything looks good, we're gonna throw it in there, because I get these back seats in, man. It looks so good though. Tell me what you guys think. Comment section down below. All right, so I just wanted to see how it would turn out after a day. It looks good. There's no breakage when I push. Nothing's changing. Also, nothing's different. It doesn't feel like it's been painted on, which is good. That's what I was hoping for. So just so you guys for comparison, hold on. All right, so this is before, this is after. You can see the shade difference. All right, let's get this one done. Alright, it's starting to get dark, and if you can't tell, let me see if I can make that feel better for you. Yeah, it's getting ready to storm. You can see the lightning right there, wow. I'm going to spray this over one more time. I'm not going to record it just because I'm trying to hurry up before the rain gets here. I'm going to let this dry, and then tomorrow we will be putting this in finally, officially. So stay tuned. Well, just 1 second. Alright, it's the next day. Let's see what we can do. I got home for work late, but I want to try and get this done today if it's possible. First, we got to clean up the back, and then we're going to put this in. I know it might be kind of hard to see, but my rear seats are in. Not fully, but basically for now you're able to sit down in it. There you go. It's better to see. Just got to get the side panels and then the back piece in, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so it's getting dark, but I'm not stopping. I'm getting this done, so I'm literally just gonna put the back seats in. I mean, it's not that deep because I'm gonna take them back out again, but for this video, they're going in right now. I'm gonna finish doing that, and then we'll pick up once I get to like a gas station or something, just so you guys can see. And then we'll go from there, so. All right, so not even gonna lie, I got carried away. Just took Amanda for a drive in the Beamer, and yeah, so just so y'all can see with it being daylight out, hopefully the ISO will go well. We got one side in. I only did it just because it was dark and I wanted to hurry up and get it done. Next video, I'll show you guys us putting this side in. We will be doing the side panels and the little armrest and getting that last window off. So yeah, sorry, I know this was kind of a messy, kind of rushed video, but I had a long week at work and I just wanted to get the content out as much as I can. Next video, they'll be completely done, so stay tuned for that. Please make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are brand new. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. And like always, we out.